Connecting devices to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. To add new devices to your home, simply download the BG Home app, select Add Device, and follow on-screen instructions to discover your new device. Your smart light and wiring accessories are designed to work on 2.4 GHz band network. No special hubs are required, and most routers are dual band, meaning they output both 2.4G and 5G signals. Ensuring you have a strong signal for long-range connectivity as well as high bandwidth for data-intensive tasks such as gaming and video streaming. In some instances where dual-band routers have the same SSID for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz signals, you may need to temporarily turn off the 5 GHz signal on your router during setup of your first device. To turn off your 5 GHz network, log into your router settings, the details of which are often found on the reverse side of the router. Look for a numerical URL and a password. Type the URL into your web browser, then add the password to log on. Once you have logged into the router, look for a tab that will allow you to check the wireless signal settings. This is often found under an Advanced Settings tab. You should see a list of available frequencies to include 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and Smart. Uncheck the 5 GHz signal, then apply or save the changes. You should now be able to connect exclusively to the 2.4 GHz signal transmitted by your router and start adding devices to the BG Home app. Once you have added your first device, you can then go back into your router settings and enable the 5 GHz signal. For more information on Smart configuration process, please watch our video BG Home app adding new devices using Smart Discovery. For more helpful how-to videos, visit the BG Smart website. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.